Now, profit is why we're all in business. It should be the most important number in your accounts, really. But sometimes there's a bit of confusion between gross profit and net profit. And then people talk about profit margins. And then they're like, well, I don't necessarily know what a profit margin is, but if I did, what's a good margin? How much profit should I be making? So I'm going to try and sort of explain what the difference is between gross and net, how to calculate the margins, and then also a little bit of insight into what is potentially a good margin in our industry. So if you go to the next slide, I'm going to explain gross profit. Okay, so gross profit is the profit you make after delivering the service, but before your general business expenses. And if you've got a team, your biggest cost will be wages and perhaps contractors. So sales minus those direct costs will be your gross profit. But if you're a solo cleaner, you'll probably be at 100% gross profit, as there won't be wages to take off, because obviously you don't pay any out as a solo cleaner, and because there's no payroll as such. So gross profit is sales minus the direct costs of delivering those sales, if you like. And then your net profit, and that's where it's at, isn't it, for all businesses. Gross profit gives you one indicator, but net profit gives you the indicator of what you're actually making overall. And net profit is calculated by taking your gross profit and then taking off all your other expenses. And that will give you your net profit. So the net profit really is the most important profit number, but gross profit can give you an indication of perhaps you're not charging enough to cover the wages, for example. But net profit for me is the most important profit number in your business, because it tells you what you're making.